Hello, grade 9 students. Today we're going to discuss all about quadrilaterals and the different properties of the parallelograms, the square, rectangle, rhombus, kite, trapezium, trapezoid, etc. So this presentation will cover the basic properties of various quadrilaterals. It is aimed at students studying at level E, where appropriate follow-up exercises are indicated for consolidation purposes. What is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a closed, four-sided linear shape. Shape is made up of four straight lines. So these are the few types of special quadrilaterals: square, rectangle, quadrilateral, kite, rhombus, parallelogram, and trapezium. Solve the equation below. X plus 21 is equal to 32. So how do you solve for x? Subtract both sides by 21. So what is 32 minus 21? Answer is 11. Now in question 2, find all the missing angles. Yes, and it is, I think, 90 degrees. And if these two sides are equal, therefore this is an isosceles right triangle, and angle A is equal to angle B. So pareho silang 45 degrees. Angle A 45 degrees, angle B 45 degrees, and this angle is right angle 90 degrees. Total of 180 degrees. In question 3, find the average of the numbers below: 2, 5, 6, 7, 5, 2, 2, 5, 6, 7, 5, 8. So all you have to do is to add the numbers divided by 2, 4, 6, 8, divided by 12. What do you think is the answer? Let's try to add 7 plus 6, 13, 29, 34, 47, 50 to 60. 60 divided by 12 is 5. Average is 5 for question number 3. Average is 5 for question number 3. Number 4, find 30% of 240. Shortcut yun, pwede rin 3 over 10 times 240. 3 over 10 times 240. 240 divided by 10 is 24. 24 times 3 na lang yan. 24 times 3 is what? 72. Okay, 72 is the answer. 72 pounds. So definition, quadrilateral is a closed four-sided linear shape. Shape is made up of four straight lines. So square, rectangle, kite, also rhombus, parallelogram, and trapezium or trapezoid. Let's start with the square. What are the properties of a square? Number one property, it has four sides. Its four sides are equal of length. Four sides are equal length. All sides are equal. And opposite sides are parallel. And parallel. Two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. All angles are equal and are 90 degrees. All angles are right angle. It has four lines of symmetry. Yeah, four lines of symmetry. One half turn symmetry. One fourth turn symmetry. And if cut out, it can fit back 8 different ways. Two diagonals are the same length, and the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So in short, equal in diagonals can at the same time perpendicular. And diagonals bisect corner angles. And the formula for its area, to find its area, is L squared. Or if pag S yung side, S squared. And for the perimeter, just add the four sides, 4L or 4S. Yeah. Another starter questions. Calculate 540 divided by 9. What? 60? Yes, find all the missing angles in the triangle. So equal 105 yan. Ano to? 80. I mean 75. This is 75 degrees, that's also 75 degrees. Then 105 minus 75 is 30. Well, 30 degrees. 75 is 25, 30. Tama ba? Yes, correct. List the prime numbers between 50 and 60. I think it's 51. I think ba? Yeah. I think it's 51 can be divided by 3. 52 can be divided by 2, about 53. 3 divided by 4. I think 53 is a prime number. I think 59 also is a prime number. 59 and 53. Find 15% of 400. 15 times 4 lang yan. Or 0.15 times 400, 15 times 4. 15 times 4 is 60. Or 0.15 times 400 is still 60. Oh, 60. Let's continue. Let's proceed to the rectangle. What are the properties of a rectangle? Opposite sides have equal length. Consists of the length and width. So, equal yung length niya, equal din yung width niya. Opposite sides are parallel. All angles are equal and are 90 degrees. It has two lines of symmetry. One upturned symmetry. If cut out, it can fit back 4 different ways. Diagonals are the same length. Diagonals bisect each other. And the formula for the area is length times b, or length times width, or breadth. And for the perimeter, twice length plus twice the breadth is its perimeter. Yeah. Before we go to the next, I'm going to answer this. Question number 1, list 4 properties of a square. I think the sides, all sides are congruent. All angles are congruent, also 90 degrees. The diagonals are congruent. Diagonals are proportional also. Simplify the following fraction. 35 over 100. Divide mo lang ng 57 over 20. Express the following percentage as fractions. So, from 25%, 25 over 100, or 1/4. Ito naman, 12.5 divided by 100. Ano yan? 12.5 divided by 100 is 12 and a half is 25 halves. 25 halves divided by 100, 1/8. 1 over 8 yung letter B dito sa question number 2. 1 over 8, ito naman 1/4. Solve for x, 2x plus 4 equals 22. 22 minus 4 is 18 divided by 2, 9. X equals 9. Angles in a quadrilateral. The angles in a quadrilateral always add up to 360 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. We have split the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. But for any triangle, the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Hence, for the quadrilateral, we have 2 times 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Find the missing angle below. Angle W is 90 degrees. Angle Z is 100. Angle X 34 degrees. Find the angle Y. So just add 100 plus 90, 190 plus 34. Tapos subtract natin sa 360. 360 minus 190 minus 34. 136. 136 degrees the measure of angle Y. 136 degrees. These 4 properties of rectangle. Opposite sides are congruent. Diagonals are congruent. Diagonals bisect each other. Diba? Opposite sides are parallel. Diba? All angles are 90 degrees. Find the mean and range of the numbers 3, 4, 5. For the mean, just add 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12, divided by 3, 4. 4 is the mean. And what's the range? Range, I think, is the highest minus the lowest. So 5 minus 3, 2. The range is 2. Express the following decimals. Express the following to decimals. So 25%, 0.25. 12.5%, 0.125. Tidy up the following. And add the similar terms. 8x squared plus 3y squared plus 4x plus y. Okay. Now we proceed to the rhombus. What are the properties of a rhombus? All sides have equal length. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal. It has two lines of symmetry. One-half turn symmetry. If cut out, it can fit back 4 different ways. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. In short, perpendicular yung diagonals niya, but not congruent. Diagonals bisect corner angles. Starter questions. Calculate. 2 plus 8, 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 24, 35. If 1 bar of chocolate costs 65 pesos, how much will 1,000 bars cost? Give your answers in pounds. 1 is to 65 is equal to 1,000. It's too blank. 65,000 pounds. Football player scores an average of 1.5 goals a game. How many goals should he score per 10 games? 1 game, 1.5 goals. 1 is to 1.5 is equal to 10 times 1.5. 15. Diba? Football players scores an average of 1.5 a game. 1.5 is to 1. 1.5 is to 1 is equal to x over 15 goals. Find 60% of 300 pounds. Okay. 0, 100, 6 over 30. 6 times 30, 180. Now we proceed to, the kite. What are the properties of a kite? 2 pairs of adjacent sides of equal length. That means AB is equal to BC, AD is equal to CD. L1 is equal to A. Left and right angles are the same. Angle A is congruent to angle C, angle B is congruent to angle D. It has one line of symmetry. If cut out, it can fit back 2 different ways. Only one diagonals bisect the other. Diagonals are also perpendicular, cross each other at 90 degrees. One diagonal bisect corner angles. Next, these 4 properties of rhombus. All sides are equal. The diagonals are proportional. Diagonals bisect each other. What else? Yes, opposite angles are congruent. How many seconds in 2 days? Okay, wala ba yun? Sa 10 seconds sa 1 minute, 60. 60 seconds in 1 minute. Alam ba? Sa isang araw, 24 hours, diba? 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Ngayon, agawa ka ng proportion dyan. 60 seconds is equal to 1 hour. X is equal to 48. So 48 hours yung 2 days. 60 is to 1. Hindi, 60 seconds 1 hour. 60 times 24. 60 times 48 lang. 60 times 48. 2,880 seconds. 2 days na. Ano ba? Seconds. 60. Teka, sorry. 60 seconds 1 minute, diba? Ilang minute ba yung 60 minutes? 60 minutes in 1 hour. 60 times 1 hour, 60 minutes. 60 times 60. 60 times 60, 2,600 in 1 hour. That's 48. So 172,800 seconds in 2 days. Find the range and the mean of the numbers below. Question number 3. Wait, sorry. Pag range, 15 minus 2, 13. Pag average, we have pag mean 16, 24, 39 plus 3, 42 divided by 6. 6 is the mean. Negative 2 times negative 3 is 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Now we proceed to the parallelogram. What are the properties of the parallelogram? Opposite pairs of sides have equal length. Opposite sides are congruent. Opposite pairs of sides are parallel. Opposite pairs of angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle C. 1/2 turn symmetry. It has no lines of symmetry. If cut out, it can fit back two different ways. Diagonals bisect each other. And another starter questions. Which letter has half turn symmetry? H, C, A, C, H, P. What's your answer? Find all the missing angles. 60 degrees lahat yan. So equilateral. Name two equilaterals that have all angles equal. Equilateral triangles. And yung square. Square or rectangle. Hindi. Equilateral equal sides equal angles. So equilateral triangle and the square. Find 3 fifths of 200. 40 times 3. 120. Now we proceed to trapezium. Properties of a trapezium has only one property, which is one pair of parallel lines. Okay, one pair of parallel lines. Yung parallel lines yung bases, ito naman yung mga lengths. And parallel sides are what we call the lengths. And if the lengths are equal, it's what we call isosceles trapezoid. So that ends our short discussion on quadrilaterals. I'll see you next time. Bye.